PM City is like no other project management e-learning training course you've ever had or ever experienced. Because preparing for your PMP, your project management professional exam online has never been more effective and more fun. No more passively sitting back expecting the content to stick. Take an active role in your learning with a visionary PM City that was instructionally designed and graphically designed from the bottom up with project management experts leveraging the latest technology and software tools. So you are going to get what you need to prepare and pass your PMP exam. PM City includes 16 different neighborhoods. 10 of those neighborhoods are based on the 10 knowledge areas of the 6th edition, and there's more neighborhoods for the other project management ideas and concepts that you need to know. All the neighborhoods come with their own guides, interactive lessons, reviews, games, quizzes, discussion boards, certificates of completion, live events, conversations, and so much more. PM City is open to you because it's online 24/7. So come visit the city anytime you want to. It's responsive, so you could be on your computer, your laptop, your tablet, your phone, access it from anywhere. Our learning management system allows you to see your progress, how you're doing, what you still need to do, and it's all self-paced. You can skip around, you can move wherever you wish within the content, cover what you've already done again, or to something new. You take control. You control your schedule. You control your learning. Now, oftentimes people ask, well, what is interactive? This is more interactive than just clicking a button and playing a video. This is something dynamic, something that you control. You roll over the content that you want to listen to, or you get to click on the content that you want to find out more about. You can drag and drop, you can move, you can interact with the content and not just sit by passively. You are an active participant in the city. You are a PM citizen and you need to learn, and so you are going to make the most of your journey. Every process page, for instance, has ability for you to navigate around all the different content that you need to know, from the agile principles to the inputs and outputs and all about the process itself. And then you get to see which ones you've already completed and which ones you still need to do. Find out about all the tools and techniques, see videos of very deep content, whiteboard animations that will review the entire process, all the inputs, tools, and technique, and then various other things for your learning style. So if you're visual, all the graphics and the repetition of colors and graphics to help you retain the information. Whiteboard animations and drawings and sketches, as well as PM Guy animated just for you to explain the content. If you're an auditory learner, the voice is here for you to explain, not just reading the slides, it is explaining the slides. So if you prefer to be reading yourself, well then you can read the text yourself and read the PMBOK and read the city guide and bring all that knowledge together. Write things down. That citizen's guide is there for you to not only actively participate in the lessons, but also actively participate offline as well. And social. If you want to learn from others, you want to hear from others, then join the discussion boards. Email the PM City experts. Join live sessions where we meet and talk about anything that you have questions about. And the best part too, you can wrap it all up with games and quizzes and recaps that will make certain that you are learning your content, have fun with it, and you will be set up for success as you can get your certificate of completion, which fulfills the PMI's 35-hour project management requirement that you could use on your PM application that will allow you to sit for the exam. So what are you waiting for? Get your key to the city, join the city, and be ready to pass your PMP 6th edition exam right now.